Hello and welcome to this year's Bachata combination. As always, I have with me Emily. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start going with Bachata basic side to side. First, we're gonna go towards the ocean, then we're gonna go towards the camera. From there, we're gonna go front and back. So we're gonna go that way and then bring it back. We're gonna do a Bachata basic side to side in between each new step just to make it easy. I'm gonna turn first, then I'm gonna turn Emily. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. I turn, Emily turns. Perfect. From there, we're gonna do a bachata basic, and then I'm gonna wrap Emily around and then unwrap it. After that, we're gonna do another basic side to side, and then I'm gonna turn Emily while holding both hands above her head. Perfect. Let's try just that new part. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're gonna tap out, tap in, tap out, tap in, other leg, in, other leg, in, and we finish with a body roll. Let's try everything from the top. Yeah, that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. I turn, Emily turn, back to basics. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a wrap and unwrap. Basic, 7, 8 above her head. And out, in, out, out, in, out. Finish with a body roll. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next week. Yeah, I can always grab the audio from one video with the video that I have. Oh, it still looks pretty cool actually. It doesn't look bad.